Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here. Coming to see you for Gallitzin tunnels here in Pennsylvania. Looks like I got my first train coming. See, they come out of the tunnel here in a minute. This is my first time here, so I don't know what direction he's going. I saw him wrapping around the mountain when I came. I do know it's a manifest. Hey, he comes. I see the light now. There he is. I got a horse salute on him. It's pretty nice to be able to come up here today. This is day 2 of my Pennsylvania trip. Head back home later this evening. I've never seen anything like that big old round thing right there. So far, I've only seen one locomotive on this train. There goes the DPU, everybody. I knew he had to have one of those. That's where he was. There's only one on the front. Got some rear DPUs. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video of that manifest train coming out of the Gallitzin tunnel. Thank you for watching. See you down the rail.